MD here. Have you ever to the harp? I mean, to the to the harp. To the harp masters, twin masters, that play the harp so beautifully. When you get to Caesar's Palace, meanwhile you're working, I want you to choose your favorite harp. Okay? Now, along the harp, along the harp, along the harp, you will add an additional frame made out of bulletproof glass, okay? Or sensitive touch glass, okay? In other words, glass that can feel the electricity of the human being. Okay? Now you know those little balls that you touch that you buy at malls and everything, and the electricity goes through the ball and it hits your fingers. Now the harp will have that space and those balls at certain areas, like one corner, then the top corner, then the bottom corner, then the other corner. Okay. As you're doing your spectacular show, you caress the harp, and then lightning goes through the harp. Okay? Have the experts, electronic experts, make a switch where they can change the color of the electricity. I'm not really sure how is that done. All right? We'll leave that to the electronic experts. Okay? So as you caress the harp, lightning's going through the harp. That will help the show of the manna tree over there at Caesar's Palace, okay? Because I want you little lady so famous, glamorous. I'm gonna hug you and squeeze you and pay you, and you're gonna make so much money, and everybody will never let you go. Okay, ladies, that invention is for the harp twins that play the Metallica music. All right. My name is Michael Dealvarado. God bless you. Caesar's Palace per show. You owe me 5% per show. Okay? Make sure I get buffet tickets whenever I want. Plain and simple. Okay? Per show, you owe me 5%. 10%. 10%. Of every ticket sold, you owe me 10%. Okay, Caesar's Palace? All right? Or to the casino and hotel that hires them. Because I'm the one sending them. With all due respect. All right? If you decide to betray me, I hope the FBI kicks your door open. FBI keep 5% per ticket. Thank you very much. I hope you don't betray me, FBI. Usually happens, but God only makes me better. FBI, don't get cocky either, because you can be sued also. So God bless. I'm trying to make Nevada better than ever. I hope this show is a complete success. I send them to Caesar's Palace because they are angelic to me. God bless. Take it easy. Thank you. Yeah. Hello, Bendia. I love you guys very much.